Oops, did you just stumble again? Ever wondered why? Ever found yourself sitting amidst the debris of the same old air, questioning, what's wrong with me? I know the feeling. It's like being stuck in quicksand. But here's a twist. It's not about who you are. It's about understanding the mechanics of your mind. Ready to change the game? Let's decode this together. Picture this. You've just made a mistake, again. Instantly, you're swamped with regret, feeling like a punch in the gut. Your brain goes on a frenzy. How could I mess up like this? I knew better. And for a while, you're drowning in this whirlpool of self-blame. Fast forward, and the sting of regret dims. You tell yourself, it's okay, I'll just avoid this next time. But here's the catch. Your brain hasn't really learned from the mishap. It's just gotten better at numbing the pain. You acknowledge the regret, but skipped over the lesson. Let's say you stay up too late binging series or scrolling through your phone. The next morning, you're groggy, annoyed, but then you move on without pausing to ask, why did I stay up? Without addressing the root cause, you find yourself in the same loop, night after night. This is a common scenario, repeating patterns without understanding why. But not for you, not anymore. Here's how you can break free. Step 1. Catch the regret early. When you feel regret seeping in, that's your cue. Pull yourself out of the past and switch to detective mode. Step 2. Analyze the situation. Approach it like a crime scene. What exactly happened? Stick to the facts. What led to this? Were there any warning signs? How could you adjust your actions next time? Think of this step as gathering data, not distributing guilt. Step 3. Transform recognition into reflex. Patterns repeat because they operate on autopilot. By consciously working through these steps each time, you're training your brain to preempt the mistake before it unfolds. It's about turning a reactive realization into a proactive skill. Remember, it's perfectly human to err. But what distinguishes growth from stagnation is how you handle these slip-ups. You can either stay trapped in repetitive cycles, or you can dissect them, understand them, and conquer them. So here's your mission. Think about a recent mistake. Apply these 3 steps. Pinpoint the pattern, identify the trigger, and set a concrete plan. Once you see the cycle, you can break it forever. And that's a wrap on today's lesson. Try this method out and share your experiences below. Let's turn those oops moments into aha moments together.